guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be really special as this is going to be my first makeup tutorial video. I was too skeptical if I have to do this or not, but I was like, why not? And I created this simple basic makeup look using minimal products. All the links of the products that I've used is under in the description box. Do check it out. Now without wasting much time, let's get right into the video. Firstly, I'm using the Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. I'll spray this all over my face. This helps brighten the skin and close open pores. I highly recommend this toner. We'll let this dry. Next, I'm using the Mamaearth Day Cream. This is enriched with pomegranate and moringa oil. It has SPF 20 in it. I love Mamaearth products because they are plastic positive. That is, they recycle more plastic than they produce. I'll work the moisturizer on my face, neck and the ear area. Next, I'm using the Oriflame foundation. This is from their Giordani Gold range. With the help of a blender, I'll apply the foundation all over my face and blend it really well. As I've already toned and moisturized my skin, it's easier for the foundation to blend in. It looks seamless and perfect on the skin. I'll work it on my eyes, nose, ear area and also on my neck. Next, to set the foundation, I'm using the Oriflame Compact Powder. I'll use the brush to apply it all over my face. This powder helps control excessive oil and excessive shine on the face and also helps in setting the foundation really well. Next, to fill in my brows, I'm using the Oriflame eyeshadow palette. This is an empty mascara wand. I'm using brown colored eyeshadow to fill in my brows. It looks more natural that way. Next, I'm using a liquid liner to do my eyeliner. Here, I'm using the Oriflame eyelash curler to curl my lashes before I apply the mascara. This curler works really well. It curls my eyelashes without hurting my eyes. Next, I'm using the Maybelline's Hyper Curl Mascara. This is a super stay mascara and curls your eyelashes really well. For my lips, I'm using the Oriflame Giordani Gold range in the color Honey Chestnut. I'm using this as an undertone before I apply the liquid lipstick. The liquid lipstick is from Blue Heaven. For the highlighter, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Liquid Highlighter. Again, with the help of the blender, I'll blend the highlighter on my high points. To finish it up, I'm using the NYB Makeup Fixer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial. If so, do let me know in the comment section below so that I can create many more tutorials like these for y'all. Now don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for all the love and support that y'all have been showing me. Keep this going. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.